So these are going to be my first shots with this new rifle. Now, there is a video by C and Arsenal where they're just talking about surplus guns. It's like 3.5 hours long. One of the things that they mention in that video is that it's a good idea to fire the first time firing a milsurp or really any used gun, one shot at a time, just so that if there is a problem, you only have one round to worry about and you know that the system is empty after that. So I'm going to start by doing that. And then after that, I have a few clips I can put in. This disconnector system is so weird, loading one at a time. One other thing of note, I'm going to start using Silver Bear production ammo rather than surplus ammo. Not that I have any problem with shooting surplus ammo, I do it all the time, in fact. However, just in the same situation, if there is a problem, I want to know that it is the gun and not the ammo. I'm going to make sure that round showed up on target, just to make sure the bore is clear. Another good practice shooting the first time. All right, she looks good. I'm going to load in 4 and then load in the full clip. All right, that's 5 shots at 25 yards. Let's push it out to 50 and see what we get. All right, got it pushed out to 50 yards. I don't know if it's still showing up on camera, but I'll go up and show you in a little bit. I'm really happy with this rifle. That shot was way off. I should have checked the first one I shot to make sure I didn't have any protrusion, nor a pierced primer, but did have proper primer hits. That M44 has stout recoil, and I remember it being stout. However, I wanted to try a few shots like a man, just straight into the shoulder, and then maybe I'll put my impromptu high-tech recoil pad on it. All right, so all these with the hash marks are the 25-yard shots, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 50 yards were the other shots. So this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So I'm just going to mark these really quick, other direction. Two, three, four, 5. You know what, I have enough ammo. Why don't we push it out to 100 and see how we do? This is a modern production clip, unlike the last one I used, so it might not work as well. Still worked. Probably just need to use these and, you know, wear it in. That one's not going to be a hit. All right, let's go see how those were. All right, all shots are on the target, but they were not all good hits. These two actually hit the paper. And then I have this one down here, this one right here, and this one right here. Yeah, I know I'm kind of a crappy shot, but I am getting better. I also need new glasses. I'm figuring that you 7.62x54R guys don't really care as much about the chronograph and the numbers and the counting. You just want to know if it's going to go boom when you pull the trigger. So I have some PPU 7.62x54R that we'll start with. Oh, and then I have just 3 rounds of Bulgarian. All right, well, I hope this video has been fun to watch, and I will see you guys next Saturday. Goodbye.